The question number 98, that is what symbol precedes all the commands in MATLAB. The options are given below. The first one is a dollar symbol, the second one is percentage symbol, the third one is double forward slash, and the fourth one is less than. Okay. If we want to write the command for the MATLAB command, then we use percentage symbol. Why? Because whatever you write after the percentage symbol, then MATLAB take it as a comments. This can be solved by considering the one example. Okay. Here consider a is equal to 10. That means a 10 value is placed in the a variable. Here also we are using the percentage symbol. Whatever you write after the percentage symbol, then MATLAB consider it as a comment. That means it is a comment. It is a MATLAB comment. Similarly for b also. Here a 20 value is placed in the b variable. Okay. Here also we are using the percentage symbol. Whatever you write after the MATLAB, then MATLAB consider it as a comment. Okay. Similarly for C, here what will happen is a value is 10 and the b value is 20. These two, a plus b means these two values are added and the result is placed in the C variable. Here also we are using the percentage symbol. Whatever you write after the percentage, then MATLAB consider it as a comment. That means this is also a comment. Okay. Then disp C means it will display the content of the C variable. That means it will display 30 on command window. Here also we are using the percentage symbol. Whatever you write after the percentage symbol, then MATLAB consider it as a comment. So from the above options, the second one is the correct option. For the same DCT 2018 B series, now we are going to solve questions on subject code MATLAB. The question number 99, the MATLAB command which clears all data and variables stored in the memory. The options are given below. The first one is CLC, the second one is clear all, and the third one is close all, and the fourth one is none of the above. Okay. When you click on the MATLAB software, then one window will appear. In that window we have three panels. The first panel is command window, and the second one is workspace, and the third one is command history. In command window, we will write all the commands in the command window itself. In workspace, all the variables and the data used in the MATLAB, all are stored in the workspace. In command history, whatever we did with respect to MATLAB, that all information is stored in the command history with time and date itself. Okay. When you type CLC command in command window, then whatever you wrote in the command window, all are disappear. Okay, all are clear. If you write clear all in command window, then all the variables and their values are stored in the workspace are clear. When you write close all in command window, then all windows are closed. The windows like graphical user interface window, figure window, all are closed. So from this option, the correct option is clear all. When you use this command in command window, all the variables and their data which is stored in the workspace are erased or cleared. So the right option is clear all. The question number 100. When used in the fprintf, the command the reverse slash n is used to. The options are given below. The first one is add a space between any two characters. The second option is place a number into the comment, and the third one is add a line space, and the fourth one is clear the comment. Before solving this question, first we have to know the fprintf function. In MATLAB, fprintf command is mainly used to print the information onto the screen or onto the command window. This can be solved by taking this example. That is, in fprintf we are written electronics communication. So in command window we get electronics communication. That means electronics communication we are getting in the on the same line. On the same line we are getting electronics and communication. If you use reverse slash n in between the electronics and the communication, then communication word starts from the new line or next line, that is communication starts from the next line. So from this we conclude that the reverse slash n is mainly used to add a line space. From these options, the third one is the right option, that is it adds a line space.